welcome our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Nancy Sahai, Deputy Commissioner Hatari Vai. I request everyone to please give a huge round of applause.
हाँ हाँ पता है वैसे ये तो सही बात है ना कि इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों के रॉकिंग परफॉर्मेंस का कोई जवाब नहीं।
वैसे इंग्लिश प्लेज हमारे एनुअल फंक्शन का एक इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रेडिशन है और हर साल इंग्लिश प्लेज में डिज्नी के फैंटेसी स्टोरीज को एनैक्ट किया जाता है।
मुझे पिछले साल का मोडली याद है।
उसके पहले अली बाबा, ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट और द रेड राइडिंग हुड भी तो हुआ था।
तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है इस बार कौन से डिज्नी का जादू छाने वाला है?
बिल्कुल सही कहा, जादू ही जादू छाने वाला है।
वो कैसे?
क्योंकि अब हम जाने वाले हैं अग्रबा की उन गलियों में जहाँ कहीं कालीन की उड़ान है तो कहीं जिनी का नटखट जादू।
Yes, my lovely audience, let's enter the mystical and enchanting world of Arabian Nights and enjoy the magical love story of Aladdin and Shehzadi Jasmine.
Salam and good evening to you, worthy friends. Welcome to the fabled city of Agrabah, city of flying carpets, soaring heroes, famous love ballads, and more glitz and glamour than any other fictional city in the world. And of course, you know what Agrabah's famous for, this magical lamp. This lamp put Agrabah on the map. You've never been? Well, we can fix that. Follow me to a place where incredible feats are routine every hour or so. Where enchantment runs rampant, gets wild in the streets. Open sesame, here we go. See the dervishes dancing ridiculous pants, then romance to your heart's delight. Come on down,
Come on in,
let the magic begin.
it's another Arabian night. Arabian nights, like Arabian days. More often than not, are hotter than hot.
In a lot of good ways.
Arabian nights, Arabian nights, Arabian nights, Arabian nights, Arabian
Ow!
I catch you trying to steal from my shop again, and you'll pay with your life.
If this is how you treat your customers, who will buy from your shop?
Ha! You're nothing but a thief and a street rat. Wait till I get the guards.
So, what did you steal this time?
Steal? I don't know what you're talking about, Qasim.
Then, what's this?
Taking food is not robbing. The way I see it, we are just stealing from the rich and giving it to the poor. And we are the poor.
Go away, filthy beggar.
Go ahead, take it. I wasn't that hungry anyway.
Thanks, Aladdin. We can always count on you.
There goes our lunch. You and a stupid heart of gold.
Sorry, Qasim. I'll make it up to you next time.
We have got problems, sir. Major problems.
Now, what are you talking about?
Princess Jasmine has been talking with Prince Abdullah for over an hour.
An hour? But if she chooses a suitor, he becomes the next sultan instead of me?
That's why I said we got problems.
Jafar, my most trusted advisor. I'm really worried. I hope Jasmine chooses the prince to be her husband.
I have never had such insult in all my life.
What did she do?
She thinks no end of herself. I'm sorry, and marriage is simply out of the question. Good day, sir.
This is ridiculous. I need to handle her with an iron fist.
Father?
Yes, darling. what did you say to that poor prince?
I just told him the truth. That if he marries me, he will get an equal partner with an equal say. I want to marry a person who loves me and is good at heart, not just a prince.
Jasmine, you are a princess. The law states that you must marry a prince. We must uphold the tradition, dearest.
If I have to marry someone I don't love, then maybe I don't want to be a princess anymore.
It's not just the law. I won't be around forever, and I want to make sure you are taken care of.
I can take care of myself, thank you.
Jasmine, if you don't choose a husband tomorrow, I will choose one for you.
I am not living here anymore. I am running away from the palace.
But sir, if he forces her to marry,
Time for a backup plan. Come here.
what's in the book? Oh, devious one.
This book will help us to get the lamp that contains an all-powerful genie. Once I have it, I will have the entire kingdom at my mercy.
How do we get our hands on this lamp?
Rulers of the darkest night, grant us now a second sight. Easy guards of storms and angry tides, show us where the lamp resides.
The lamp you want is in the Cave of Wonders.
Simple enough. Thank you, Spooky Voice.
But be warned, only the person with a heart of gold can enter the cave.
And who is this person with a heart of gold?
He is the boy. That guy?
Find him and make sure he touches only the lamp.
Once we have got that boy, we have got our lamp. And I'll finally be Sultan of Agrabah. Ha 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 ha.
First time in the marketplace, right?
What makes you think it's my first time here?
Oh, I don't know this. Solid gold earrings, fancy dress, and not a speck of dust on your shoes. I know this place like the back of my hand. I know every person here. Let me show you around.
Catch! He's the thief! Street rat!
They're after me.
They're after you?
Run!
Why?
Do you trust me?
Yes.
Then come on. Let her go. She didn't do anything wrong.
Silence, or I will finish you both right here in the street. Wait! I command you to stop! Princess Jasmine?
Princess? You are the princess?
Found him, the boy with the golden heart.
Please leave him. I can pay for his crimes.
Who are you?
The boy's uncle.
Oh yeah. Hey uncle, it's been so long. I hardly recognize you.
Consider this your final warning, street rat.
So, who are you? And why'd you help me?
I know you have special talents, boy, and I need your help.
Special talents? Huh? What kind of help?
There is an enchanted cave that contains many wonders.
We call it the Cave of Wonders.
Deep within the cave, there is a lamp I need you to fetch for me. But you must be sure to touch only the lamp.
But why me?
You are active, skilled, talented. Instead of thieving, wouldn't you like to use your talents to make a name for yourself? And perhaps impress a certain princess?
Which way is this cave of yours?
That's the spirit, and here we are. Step forward, boy.
Who disturbs my slumber?
It's I, Aladdin.
You are the boy with the golden heart, the one whose worth lies deep within. You may enter.
Now, fetch me the lamp and touch nothing else.
Right. Only the lamp. Here goes nothing.
At last.
There's a lamp down here, but it's not much to look at.
Do not touch anything else.
Alright, I've got it.
That's it. Bring it to me now.
Egyptian jade? Fit for a princess.
You have touched the forbidden treasure. Now you are never going to get out of this cave.
I wasn't going to take it. Jafar! Iago! Oh, my head. Hello? Help? Anybody? Hello? What's so great about this thing? Hey, I think it says something.
ये हुई ना बात, हमने मारी एंट्री, हिल गई सारी कंट्री। और क्या हालचाल, मुझे मिस किया? याद है ना, मैं जिनी, दिल का साफ, दिमाग का तेज, अकल और शक्ल का एक रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन, होस्ट विद मोस्ट, आपका दोस्त जिनी।
I think I might be hallucinating.
Hallucinating to you too? कैसे हो?
Who are you?
Who am I? हूँ मैं कौन? अभी तो बताया था।
Vitaya, what? What are you saying? What language are you blabbering in?
ओहो, हिंदी नहीं आती, साउथ बॉम्बे टाइप्स। चलो पहले तुम्हारी लैंग्वेज सेटिंग ठीक करते हैं।
मैं कहाँ हूँ?
चार्टर स्काई, इसको लड़ा डाला, अच्छे अच्छे को हिला डाला। अब मांगो जो मांगना है, बड़ी सी गाड़ी, पराक की सारी, आईफोन X, शानो शौकत, सक्सेस। 2 नहीं 4 नहीं मिलेंगे विश, 3 ही, क्योंकि मेरा नाम है जीने। नाम तो सुना ही होगा।
नहीं सुना है। मैं ये हिंदी कैसे बोल रहा हूँ? तुमने कुछ किया है? तुम हो कौन?
सुनो, मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि तुम कुछ भी नहीं समझ रहे हो। सिंपल है, मैं जीनी, तुम आका। बोलो, मैं
जीनी,
तुम
काका।
काका नहीं, आका।
आका।
आका, परफेक्ट। तो महाशय, अभी भी हो संभ्रमित?
हाँ, समवॉट भ्रमित तो हूँ।
होता है। एक्चुअली तुम्हें पता नहीं तुम्हारे हाथ क्या लगा है। तो ऐसा करते हैं, तुम अपना ब्रह्म रोल करो, मैं अपने ड्रम्स रोल करता हूँ।
Well, Alibaba के थे 40 चोर और लैला के थे 100 मोल। तुझे मिल गया एक जादुई चोल, आके तू पिटारा जरा खोल। आज खोलूं मैं तुझ पे अब ये राज, तेरे साबुन में है अब ये झाग। रूपों में बज सारे राग, जो तू आके मल दे ये चिराग। And I'll say, Mr. Aladdin सा तू खोल दो फौरन जी, चुटकी में ख्वाहिश पूरी करूं, अरे मिलेगा ना फ्रेंड लाइक मी। मेरा भागा दर्दा मुरा है जीनी मेरी चाह, बजा के डमरू कुन तो बोल, कलाबाज ये खाएगा गोल। मिस्टर Aladdin सा have a shot 2 or 3, पूरे करूं ख्वाब छोटे नवाब, अरे मिलेगा ना फ्रेंड लाइक मी।
वाह जीनी, क्या नाचते हो, क्या गाते हो, क्या तान लगाई। इनसेन, मतलब एकदम तानसेन।
हो गया, काम की बात करें। तुम्हें मिलते हैं 3 विशेस।
3 विशेस?
जी हाँ, 3 विशेस। वांटिंग कि नॉट वांटिंग?
वांटिंग। बट बताओ, तुम मुझे कोई भी 3 विश दे सकते हो?
हाँ, पर कुछ कंडीशंस हैं, नहीं तो पता चला माल लिया और विजय गायब।
मतलब
ये स्पेशल चिराग है, कोई मामूली दिया नहीं मिर्जा। 3 फायदे हैं तो 3 कायदे भी हैं। 1, मैं किसी की जान नहीं ले सकता। 2, मरे को जिंदा नहीं कर सकता। और 3, प्यार कर सकता हूँ, प्यार करा नहीं सकता।
ओ, मतलब कुछ भी कर सकते हो?
कुछ भी।
कुछ भी? इस गुफा से तो बाहर निकाल नहीं सकता, और कहता है कुछ भी।
ओहो, चैलेंज इज माय मिडिल नेम।
तो लास्ट नेम क्या है?
शुक्ला।
अच्छा, जीनी चैलेंज शुक्ला। बताओ, निकाल सकते हो इस खंडर से बाहर?
ऑफ कोर्स निकाल सकता हूँ, ये लो।
थैंक यू जीनी, वेरी गुड। चलो चले, और यहाँ से बाहर निकलते ही मैं अपने 3 विशेष तुमसे ले लूंगा।
1 मिनट बॉस, तुम्हारे अब 2 ही बचे हैं। एक तो तुमने केव से निकलने में यूज कर लिया। मांगो, अब तुम्हें दूसरे विश में क्या मांगना है?
एक लड़की है।
ओ, लड़की का चक्कर। भाई मैंने पहले ही बताया था, कायदा नंबर 3, प्यार कर सकता हूँ, प्यार करा नहीं सकता।
सही कह रहे हो जिनी, पर जब देखोगे तब समझोगे। अपने जैसी एक ही है वो। उसे देखते ही मेरा चेहरा फूल सा खिल जाता है। मेरा दिल उसके सेट पोजीशन से हिल जाता है। ऐसा लगता है मेरे दिल के खाली कमरे में कोई रहने आ गया। मेरे अरमानों के नालों में कोई बड़ा सा जहाज बहने आ गया।
सुनो, तुम प्यार करो या ना करो ये तुम्हारी मर्जी, पर ये शायरी मत करो प्लीज।
ये शायरी नहीं है जिनी, ये प्यार की खुमारी है। मैं गलियों का आवारा, वो महलों की राजकुमारी है। काश मैं भी कोई राजकुमार होता। प्रिंस टाइप्स। प्रिंस, हाँ प्रिंस। जिनी, बना सकते हो तुम मुझे एक प्रिंस?
हाँ प्रिंस, क्यों नहीं, पर ये अगर विश है तो इसे विश की तरह मांगो।
ऐसी बात है तो ये लो जिनी, तुम मुझे एक प्रिंस, एक राजकुमार, एक शहजादा बना दो।
ये हुई ना बात। अब जिनी दिखाएगा जिनी का कमाल। आंखें बंद करो और हो जाओ तैयार।
Look darling, what you feel on the inside is what you wear on the outside. The joy of dressing is an art. और baby, मैं हूँ तुम्हारा आर्टिस्ट, तो सबसे पहले तुम्हारा हुलिया ठीक करते हैं। ये गंजी, ये बनियान, ये पैजामा, ये सरोजिनी नगर छाप, ये कोयले की दुकान में से सॉलिटेयर निकालना पड़ेगा। ओहो हो, मजा आएगा। शॉपिंग टाइम।
You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend like me. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Your Majesty, it is a great pleasure to meet you. I have traveled many miles to seek the hand of your daughter. I am Prince Ali of Ababwa.
Well, this is good news. I'm delighted to meet you.
Let me tell you, Prince Abubu,
Ababwa.
whatever, someone who has known the princess her entire life, I can assure you that you are not her type.
Oh, really? Rich, charming, and handsome. That's everybody's type. The princess will fall for me on the spot. Or my name isn't Prince Ali of Ababwa.
How dare you? All of you standing around deciding my future? I'm not a prize to be won.
I was only saying that.
That I'd fall for you just because you're rich and handsome? Is that how you think I measure a person's worth?
I didn't mean that.
Goodbye, Prince Ali. I suggest you look for someone just as mean as you are.
Wait, Princess. Obviously, I have offended you, which I didn't mean to. I humbly beg your forgiveness.
Wait a moment. Have we met before?
That's impossible.
You remind me of someone I met in the marketplace.
The marketplace?
No, you couldn't be him. You're just like the rest, only after my fortune.
No, you're right. You aren't just some prize to be won. You should be free to make your own choice. I'll go now.
Oh no, wait, Ali, I didn't mean.
You called?
How? How are you doing that?
It's a magic carpet. Would you like to have a ride? We could get out of the palace.
Will it be safe?
Do you trust me?
I'm not sure why, but yes.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a surprise.
New horizons
Every
to
moment
pursue.
better.
I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world. That's where we'll be. Thrilling chase
For you
and me.
Oh, he has your lamp, the genie.
Of course, he's not a prince at all. He's the boy with the golden heart.
And there's the lamp.
Get me the lamp now.
My royal subjects, today we have gathered here to wed our beloved Princess Jasmine to the noble Prince Ali of Ababwa.
Wait! There's something I have to tell Jasmine. That I have to tell all of you.
Maybe I can help break the good news.
Jafar, what is the meaning of this? Release my daughter this instant.
All will be revealed, Your Majesty.
Genie? What are you doing?
I've got no choice, Al. I'm no longer a genie. This ugly bad dude's first wish was to make the princess his prisoner.
What? Oh no. You won't get away with this.
And who is going to stop me?
Jafar, enough. I am Sultan and I will...
Not so fast. Genie, I wish to be the Sultan of Agrabah.
चलो, अब इसकी गुलामी करो. चिराग मेहरबान, तो ये भी सुल्तान. Jafar, you're now the Sultan of Agrabah.
I give the orders now. Capture all of them. The game is over. Without Genie, you are nothing.
You are right, Jafar. Maybe I'm just a boy who rubbed the lamp. And so are you. You are not powerful at all.
I am the Sultan, ruler of the entire kingdom.
Maybe you are, but the genie has more power than you'll ever have.
I will not be outdone. Genie, for my final wish, I demand you to make me an all-powerful genie.
It was nice knowing you, Al. Jafar, you are now an all-powerful genie. And heaven help us all.
At last, all the power belongs to me. Wait! Wait! What's happening? No!
अब ये रहेगा इस 4x4 के दिए में कैद.
वाह एल, मैं तो बस जीनी हूँ, पर तुम तो जीनियस निकले.